YouTube channel. This is the Crucible of NYC. I'm your host, Domingo. Well, here it is. Our first real snowfall in many years. Haven't seen this much snow. Wow. It's been a while. Forgot what this looks like. Well, it seems like there's still activity going on. Everybody's still out and about. But yeah, the snow is coming down. Hope you folks are staying nice and warm inside because Jesus, look at this. Starting to stick on the ground. That's a new one. Well, not a new one, but it's been a while to see snow stick on the ground. But yeah, look how pretty this is, guys. It's like a winter wonderland. Let's see if we could get a nice little, quick little view. Wow, look at that. Well, this is what snow looks like in New York, folks. Again, welcome back to the snow. It does look pretty though. Hope that you all are doing well, staying safe, staying warm. Yeah, just a quick little walkthrough. Yeah, so hope that everybody's doing well and has been focusing on their rights and not the wrongs. Hoping that everybody's doing okay, mentally, emotionally, physically, financially, everything, all the kind of leaves. But I wish you guys the best. Alright folks, I hope y'all stay safe, take it easy, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.